It's been a while. A bit has changed, as we can see. Actually not that different from the last time I've shown it, but there's a lot of technical things that have changed up, and I'm gonna split that into 3 videos. For now, I'm gonna be talking how everything went in chronological order, which first, it was with fixing the extension. As you can see, these are no longer cylinders, they are triangles. This is just so I can have good printing orientation. And I switched up the bearings inside. I think I should be able to. Originally, I think I had more of these beads around, but I ended up just reducing it so it can be more stable, and I have more of these sections just kind of holding, just gonna call them beads, in place. And it's the problem beforehand was basically the beads kept on mixing with each other, and then it would get stuck, and then the bearings would end up doing the opposite of a bearing, making it a lot harder for the whole system to rotate. It was a whole problem. I don't have it currently attached, but the extending works. Hopefully I'll put a video of that working somewhere here. And we have another thing here. I'll touch up on that, what this is, later. The extending, I also added a little piece here so it doesn't scratch up against anything, and so it's even when extending. The whole stuff of extending, I think, is basically over now. Let me go into better detail of what I was working on when I was working on the extending. So since last time I was working on the bearings are better now with the extra beads in place. Less beads, so it's held more structurally. The triangles are just for easier printing, and it's just easier for me. With how 3D printers work, I could just have it flat like this. Instead of a circle, I'd have to do extra supports and whatever. They're also just more structurally sound, even though this one has a hole in it, but it's a lot better. With the additional walls, with the triangles, it's just a lot sturdier. What else I had with extending was honestly not much more from what I posted last time on it. Of course, there's still this hasn't changed. Then we have the same gearbox-ish. I kept on going back and forth between, I think, 50 RPM and 6 RPM motors, because at a certain point I thought it was just really poorly extending, but it ended up just being the battery being really low, and it just didn't want to extend this massive contraption. But that's about it on the extending. Not too crazy since the last time I posted on that. Some other stuff I just gonna highlight that I've been working on this thing is this. The inside of this is way different. It is a lot better, and it just stops derailing. I fixed that. I'm gonna get into that eventually. And then this is basically just to actually mount it to the side of my arm, but that's a big headache that I'm still working with. This to attach it. This will bend around my forearm, then I'm gonna have to have something else grab onto my bicep to actually hold on decently. But that's just been the main headache on my mind. But I'm working on other stuff right now, and I'll explain everything eventually. For now though, that's kind of all I have, just an update after a while. Bye.